Hi there, today we are starting something very important, WooCommerce. If you want to create an online store using WordPress, then WooCommerce is the main tool you will be using. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and click on WooCommerce option. Here you will see an option that says Set up my store. Just click on it. Now WooCommerce will ask you why are you setting up this store. For example, I am choosing Set up my store for a client. Then click Continue. Next, you will need to enter your store basic details. Write a store name here. This is the title of your online store. Choose the category that matches your business like fashion, food and electronics. Select the country where your store will be based and add the Gmail account where you want to receive store notifications. Once everything is filled in, check the box below and click Continue. WooCommerce may now recommend some additional tools or features. You can uncheck the ones you don't need and leave the ones you want. Then click Continue again. Within a few seconds, WooCommerce will finish adding your basic store info. Now it will ask you to log in with your Gmail. WooCommerce will send a 7-digit code to your email. Just enter the code here, then click Continue. Once that's done, your basic WooCommerce setup is complete and you will be taken back to the WordPress dashboard. Inside WooCommerce, you will see many more options. We will explore these in detail later, but first click on Settings. This is where you will properly set up your store. If you skip this part, your online store was not work correctly, so don't miss it. In the next video, we will go through the general settings step by step. See you in the next one. Thanks.